Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to auto grant the credit for your studies. I know I struggled with this with my thesis, so figured it might be helpful to do a video. Um, there is a help page by Qualtrics themselves to help you with this. The link is in the handout. It's right here under this Enable Auto Granting Credit. So you can either follow the link, or if you type in Qualtrics help page, SONA system, it'll bring you this, click that, and this will take you through step by step. Or obviously you can use this video. So to start, this is obviously the survey that we have on Qualtrics. This is what you're going to see for SONA. So to start, what you want to do is go to Survey Flow, add a new element, embedded data, data, however you want to say it. ID, make sure it's lowercase. Apply. Always apply it. And then go to distributions. You're going to want this anonymous survey link. Copy and paste that. Go back to SONA. And then change study information if you have to go back. Sorry, a few extra steps. All right. So change study information if you've already made your survey. If not, you'll have to type in all this stuff that we went over before. Okay. Pretend like that is not there. Copy and paste the new link. Make sure you use this second add, this little red highlighted thing, not the first one. Yeah, use the one that says if you're using Qualtrics, blah, 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 at the end. Copy and paste it on the end. Do not forget to save the changes. Study updated, nice. Now what you want to do is go back to your survey builder, survey flow, add a new element, end of survey, customize, override survey options, redirect, erase all of that. Go to this. This is what you're seeing, just your normal survey thing. Qualtrics redirect URL. Copy and paste this link. Put it right there. Should have all that cool stuff at the end. Save. Apply. Should be good. Make sure that it's published this way for it to update it. You can tell if you did it right by going back to SONA, view study website, answer these questions. Yes, we'll say. And it should redirect you to here. Yours should say it can't grant the credit because you're the researcher, not a participant. So go over that. That's what that does. Okay. If we go back to survey flow, this is just an extra thing, not necessary, but you're going to have these qualifying questions like, are you left-handed? If they're not left-handed and your study's on left-handed people, obviously you don't want them participating. So to do that, so in the beginning when you have those questions, just so it doesn't grant them credit if they do answer no, you're going to go to your qualifying questions, which could be left-handed, do you have a sibling, are you in a relationship, stuff like that. Add below, you're going to want to add a branch, and then add a condition. So this is like, if this answer is chosen, this will happen, and it'll take you somewhere else in the survey. Question, select the question, whatever the qualifying question is. So if yes is not selected, hold on. Okay, yes, not selected, you are going to take them to the end of the survey. And then if you go to customize, custom end of survey message, and you go down to new message, you can type in the message saying, you do not qualify for the study, thanks, or something, whatever you want to add for it. just to let them know, like, no credit was granted, you know, just so they're aware of that. So you can do that, and if this gets too complicated with all the little conditions that you may have, let me know and I can help you with it and get it all sorted out that way. But it should all be good, should all be set up from here. Again, this is only if you have a qualifying question. So yeah, any questions, feel free to email me. We could set up a time to go over this and get it all sorted out. So best of luck and thank you.